Ah, freaking. How am I even still alive on this island? I don't know. Okay. So I do know where to. Wait, what the? It's a satellite. Wait, I don't know, but I do know where. Okay, I do know where that building is. So I do know where I can get a bed. Okay. This satellite here looks abandoned. I don't know. I'm gonna go check it out. Seems this ice trail is leading to it. It's a chicken. Oh, there's some melon over there. I don't know. I'm not really starving. I'll harvest it anyway. Alright. Well, another day, another adventure in this dead island.
It's Dead Island, my dudes.
But anyway, I need to get up here. It seems to be a satellite. Wait, what the heck? It's a building. What's this place? I need to get working on my house. Why is there not a parrot? What the heck? This is a military jeep. Something in his chest. It must be like Mojang military related. He must have taken all the stuff. I don't know, I'll keep going this way. I'm gonna get some more wood. I need to expand my house. I know I got a lot of wood, but still. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna head this way. This way seems promising. Do you know the way? I'm going up here. I don't know about this place. This place looks kind of weird. Look at this friggin' middle canyon. You see that crap? It's friggin' raining. Alright. Don't worry, I got a freaking sweatshirt on, so I'm good from the rain. Ah, dang it. You get up. Oh my gosh, this place looks creepy. I do not want to be on this island. I'm not gonna get that melon. I really do not like this place. Vert. Gotta swim. Whew, this is a big one. Alright, you know what I gotta do? I gotta build up here. Oh wait, what the? I didn't mean to do it. Oh no, this is going to my freaking. Line up. Ah, fart. You get out of here. Place is freaking creeping me out. I know. Well, no wonder they call it Dead Island. It's freaking. I mean, I don't want to say the word, but just say it's okay. I'm gonna say then, but it's kind of like a hell. You can say this place really creeps me out. Oh, ow! Dang it! It's gonna be hard. Oh, crap! Ah, man. Oh, okay. Now I'm on the big canyon. Okay, I see the satellite. Let's see. Let's get on top of here. Granny, get up here. Alright, got it. Alright, let's... Yeah, what do we see this place, dude? I cannot believe this. I really need to find like a camp or something. Guess it could try over there. Okay. I'm gonna have to jump. Made it. Oh man. This part, you see this little like part right here on it? This doesn't seem jungle related. Can I see that? Oh no. I'm not even gonna repair it. I'm not gonna kill it. It doesn't even give me any food. So what's the freaking point? I do not know what I'm doing. I am surprised I haven't come across any dinosaurs. Oh, I need to find some stone. I heard the dinosaurs are on the design because of Jurassic Kingdom, which was gonna be a theme park here. But it failed. And still say a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and I think maybe some Gallimimus. I think they're like the last surviving dinosaurs on this island. No, wait, not Gallimimus, like freaking like like Brachiosaurus or something. Whatever you call them. But if that Tyrannosaurus is still alive, I'm dead meat. I heard Tyrannosaurus, the last time they saw it, it was over by like the coast, so I think I'm good. Well, welcome daytime. Well, I'm gonna have to find somewhere I can freaking hide out. This is gonna take long. I swear, I've been adventuring forever in this forest, and in the jungle, but I made my way all across my home. Still no resources. I still know where that building is, because I know that building is right by the helipad. So, I'm just gonna keep heading this way. I can find maybe some resources or something, but I don't know what the frick. Well, I've been getting like magical powers from this island, I swear. What is that a radio tower? You see that? I see that. Wait. What is that? Whoa, what the? This has gotta be military related. What the? Is there stuff? Dang it! Ooh, come on! There's no stuff? What's in there? This is repeaters. This is friggin'. This is whack. I don't know. I just came across that place. I don't know what that place was. Was that like a radio building? That must have been mostly military related. So there's like some. I just keep coming across abandoned buildings. I'm gonna get on top of this mountain. Ooh. This is gonna be a freaking long run. I gotta freaking get up into here. here? What the frick? Freaking a Fortnite. Freaking. I'm gonna miss the weekly challenges if I do not get off this island. If I can get on top of this, maybe like this cliff mountain, I can maybe try maybe overlook and see if I can find any like structures, like some resources. I do not know. This is freaking. I really want to get off this freaking island. Seems to be a big canyon down there. I don't know where this place is. Wait, what the? What the? That looks like a. Is that Jurassic Kingdom? I'm going down. Oh, it's a helipad. That looks creepy as frick. There's still boats in here. I wasn't really good at driving boats, but I'm gonna try. What the heck? There's literally. There's an ocelot too. Where's this lead? I just discovered Jurassic Kingdom. Research? I swear if there's any dinosaurs around here. Well, after they probably broke free, they're probably roaming the whole jungle. They're probably trying to find their way out. What the heck? Dude. Is that like the visitor's place? That looks like the place from Jurassic Park. I don't know, I feel like Jurassic Kingdom was a ripoff. They like just saw the movies. They're like, hey, let's build Dinosaur Park. John Grimes. So that's what he looked like. John Grimes is dead, but he died like 2 weeks ago, didn't he? Painting of a dinosaur. It's a velociraptor. That's a Dilophosaurus. That's my favorite dinosaur, Dilophosaurus. I like that. Still books. Oh, these things are dusty. Dusty dude. T-Rex skeleton. Ooh, look at this place. It's been abandoned for 50 years, and look, it's not like that overgrown. You saw what happened to the visitor center in Jurassic World, the original one. It looked like a freaking jungle house. Ooh, how come it's still visible? I don't know, if a jungle like this. Okay, now I'm gonna have to make my way back to the house. I can't believe I just found Jurassic Kingdom. Was this the only building that was here? Because there's no way those other buildings came across was Jurassic Kingdom related. I can't believe I just found the ruins. It's not saying research. I might ask Dr. Smith, because he was on this. He actually was one of the reviewers of Jurassic Kingdom when the incident happened. I may ask him, like, was there any other buildings? What the heck? What the heck? The parrot's riding the boat. Do you see that? The frick? Alright, yeah, I can't believe I just came across this place. Oh, man. I can't believe I just came across Jurassic Kingdom. So why the helipad isn't like overgrown? How am I gonna make my way back? I think, yeah, okay. So if I see, like, that radio tower building, I think that's a sign I'm close. I think the radio tower is like kind of like northwest of the helipad. So I think that's where I go. So I'm gonna keep heading up here. Okay. Eventually I'm gonna have to find like somewhere to get back. I feel like I'm the castaway right now. where I'm like a freaking castaway. This is really, I don't know. I feel like I'm getting more of the outdoors. I swear it was literally like 80 degrees yesterday. Flaming hot. It's only like 60 degrees today. Not that bad. Oh! Ah! Dang, I missed a jump. Oh, that's the radio tower. Yes, yes, yeah. I'm going the right way. I'm going the right way. I am coming for you. What the frick was that? I swear I heard. Okay, I didn't mention this, but I swear I heard footsteps in that building. That's why I got out. I'm getting away from that building. I swear, you know what? This is why. That's why I'm not camping out in that Silver Edge building, or at least I think that's a Silver Edge building. Because I think those are haunted. Because people must have died in there. I saw like stained blood on the floor. I swear. Must be going the right way. It's really foggy out. Foggy day. Oh, there's some wood. Can't recognize that. Oh yes, I see lava. Yes, that's like a signal that I'm close to my base. That's what I first came across. I came across the supply shed or whatever that place is. I think this is the right lava. Oh, you see that? Yeah, you see that? That's my satellite. Oh, okay. Here's the base. Here's the base. Look, I showed something. What the heck was that? I swear I just freaking heard something. Okay. Alright. You know what I'm gonna do? Tomorrow, I'm gonna head to the old Silver Edge building with the beds. I'm gonna grab one, take one to the base, finish up building it, and I'm just gonna camp out. I don't think I'm gonna head out adventuring anymore. Because this is really creeping me out. Especially by myself on this island. I'm gonna go grab the bed. Freaking out of this scrub.